Hello everyone, welcome to my another video on completing the finance setting for working properly on the sourcing and procurement processes on S4HANA environment. This is the third video in this playlist. Here in this video, we are going to check the chart of account and then the GL account and the field status variant, GL account classification and the document splitting and the creation of the segment and assignment of the segments. So these are the concepts we are going to uh, learn in this particular video. Yeah, let's start with the chart of account. Chart of account is basically it's a list of GL accounts. It can be accessed using OBY6. Select the company code and then chart of account should be there, that is INT. Let's check in the SAP system about this. The chart of account is the highest level of hierarchy for all the GL accounts. As we can see, the chart of account, all the GL account belongs to the chart of account. So first, this is just an example. This is not the exact classification of the GL account in the FI system. So for example, the cash account, say the account number so and so, and the account receivables, expenses account, revenue account, etc. The category of account is classified in the SAP system. We can create our own GL account. Creation of the GL account is purely an end user activity, so it is done with the T code FS00. Right now, no need to make any changes or no need to create any GL accounts. Let's see how to access the chart of account and the GL account through the transaction code OBY6. Let's get into the SAP system. Here, run the transaction OBY6. User 20 has locked the data. Just you want to display. Now locate our company code, that is PUS1. Press enter. Double click on this in order to see what is the GL account we have. See, you can see this. The company code is PUS1, belongs to the Great Britain, currency GBP, and chart of account is INT, and the maximum code deviation, exchange rate deviation 10%. Fiscal posting period variant which we have created, that has been taken here, and the fiscal period variant that has been assigned in the previous video, that has been reflecting here, and the VAT registration number, it is also coming from the standard template which we used to copy. So this is about the looking at the chart of account. Now go to the second company code which I have created. So double click on that. You will see again the same details, but the document entry for the screen variant has been changed. Let's see once again. No, it is the same for both. Yeah, everything is same because of the we have copied from the standard template for country code Great Britain, and we created our company through that template. So whatever we have for whatever the chart of account assigned to the GB01 template, that is taken by default by the system. So come back. This is about chart of account and seeing the details about the. Now we need to go about the document splitting transactions, or we need to go for we need to classify the GL account for document splitting, and we need to activate the document splitting. Why the document splitting functionality is available in the financing? This is used in segment reporting. In the last part of this video, we are also working on the segments. So that segments and the classification of document splitting together work in a functionality called segment reporting. So it is not important for sourcing and procurement. So let's not get into the concept. Let's do the configuration quickly. Now, first thing is we need to activate the document splitting. How to activate the document splitting? By following the path. You can see here we have completed this particular activity. Now we are getting into the activation of document splitting. We can follow this path: SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, GL account, then business transaction, document splitting, activate the document splitting. First thing is we need to activate the document splitting for our company code. Let's do that quickly. go to SPRO, click on SAP reference AMG, find financial accounting, expand this node, financial accounting global settings. Okay, not this, sorry. General ledger accounting, expand this. Here there is a business transaction node, open this node. In that document splitting, open this node. You have the activate document splitting button, execute this. Okay, let me close on this. Activate document splitting. Here you can see the document splitting is not activated. See, if I do the activation here, instead of that, click on deactivation per company. Go to our company code, that is PUS1. Check PUS1 should not have inactive checkbox ticked. If it is ticked, then the document splitting is not active. So inactive checkbox should not be checked. If there is no checkbox ticked here, you can safely come back and come back again. This completes activation of the document splitting. Now we need to classify the GL account for document splitting exercise. Here we can do it through this particular setting. You can execute this. Otherwise, you can also use the T code GSP underscore LZ2. Here we have type, asset accounting, etc. and fiscal period variant. Double click on our fiscal year variant. Set. Okay, classify the GL account for document splitting. We need to do this exercise. Execute. Chart of account is INT. Click enter. As you see, there is no entries available here. Go to new entries. Okay. Go to new entries and fill in the details. 1000. Account number 1002 78,300. Category 0700. Fixed assets. Then 1 lakh. 1 lakh to 1,26,000. Category 01,000. This is balance sheet account. Now 126,001 to 2 lakhs. Category 01,000. Balance sheet account. Next is 22,000. 2,20,000 to 4,89,000. 01,000. Balance sheet account. Then 7 lakh. 7 lakh to 7,99,999. Category belongs to This is 20,000, category 20,000. This is 01000, this balance sheet. 8 lakh 10,000 to 872,000, category 30,000, revenue. Now 873,000 to 896,000, category 0600, material account. So press enter. Fixed asset, balance sheet, expense, balance sheet, and revenue and material we have done with the entries or classification of the GL account. Just press enter. That's it. Once the classification is done, we need to define the segments. So let's define the segment. /n, go to SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definitions, financial accounting, define segment. Click on this. Now we need to go for new entries, segment ZAV1, description, segment 1, ZAV2, description, segment 2, ZAV3, description, segment 3, ZAV4, description, segment 4, ZAV5, description, segment 5, ZAV6, segment 6, ZAV7, segment 7. Press enter and save. We have created the segments. Now come back, check for our entries in the table. It's done. So come back again. Now go to assignment, check for the assignments. If there is any assignment open, then we can do the assignment as well. Go to finance. There is no segment assignment, so we have completed the configuration successfully. With this, I conclude this class. So in the next class, we will be working on cost centers, profit centers, and the controlling area configurations and cost element configuration as well. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like,